Next topic is logical connectives, simple and compound statements. Logical connectives. The words or phrases, group of words, which are used to connect to statements are called logical connectives. We will study the connectives and, or, if then, if and only if, not. Let's see the table. Serial number are as follows. Connective are as follows. Symbol are as follows. Compound statement are as follows. There are various types of statements. First, simple statements. Second, compound statements. Third, component statements. Simple statements, a statement which cannot be split further into two or more statements is called a simple statement. 3 and 5 are twin primes, is a simple statement. Compound statement, if a statement is the combination of two or more simple statements, then it is called a compound statement. 3 is a prime number and 4 is an even number, is a compound statement. Component statements, the simple statements that are joined using logical connectives are called component statements. Let us study in detail about all logical connectives. Conjunction and. If two statements are combined using the connective and, then it is called as a conjunction. In other words, if P, Q are two statements, then P and Q is called as conjunction. It is denoted by P and Q, and it is read as P conjunction Q or P and Q. Truth table for conjunction. First row, P, Q, P and Q. Second row, T, T, T. Third row, T, F, F. Fourth row, F, T, F. Fifth row, F, F, F. The conjunction P and Q is said to be true if and only if both P and Q are true. For example, statement P, 3 is a prime number. Statement Q, 4 is a rational number. The conjunction of above two statements is P and Q. That is, 3 is a prime number and 4 is a rational number. If we see truth table of given statement, therefore truth values of P and Q are true, that is T and T respectively. Therefore, the given statement in symbolic form is P and Q. Therefore, the truth value of given statement is true, that is T. Note, the words such as but, yet, still, in spite, though, moreover, are also used to connect the simple statements. These words are generally used by replacing an. Disjunction, or. If two statements are combined by using the logical connective, or, then it is called as a disjunction. In other words, if P, Q are two statements, then P or Q is called as disjunction. It is denoted by P or Q, and it is read as P or Q, or P disjunction Q. Truth table for disjunction. First row, P, Q, P or Q. Second row, T, T, T. Third row, T, F, T. Fourth row, F, T, T. Fifth row, F, F, F. The disjunction P or Q is false, if and only if both P and Q are false. For example, statement P, all flowers are red. Statement Q, all cows are black. The disjunction of above two statements is P or Q. That is, all flowers are red or all cows are black. If we see truth table of given statement, truth values of P and Q are false, that is, F and F respectively. Therefore, the given statement in symbolic form is P or Q, that is, F or F, is F. Therefore, the truth value of given statement is false, that is F. Conditional, as also known as implication. If two statements are combined by using the connective if then it is called as conditional or implication. In other words, if P, Q are two statements, then if P then Q is called as conditional. It is denoted by P arrow Q or P arrow Q. And it is read as P implies Q or if P then Q. Truth table for conditional. First row, P, Q. P implies Q. Second row, T, T, T. Third row, T, F, F. Fourth row, F, T, T. Fifth row, F, F, T. The conditional statement P implies Q is false only if P is true and Q is false. Otherwise it is true. P implies Q. Here P is called hypothesis or antecedent, and Q is called conclusion or consequence. Note, the following are also conditional statement P implies Q. First, P is sufficient for Q. Second, Q is necessary for P. Third, P implies Q. Fourth, Q follows from P. Fifth, P only if Q. For example, statement P, Mumbai is in Maharashtra. Statement Q, New Delhi is capital of India. The conditional of above two statements is P implies Q. That is, if Mumbai is in Maharashtra, then Delhi is the capital of India. If we see truth table of given statement, truth values of statement P and statement Q are true, that is T and T respectively. Therefore, the given statement in symbolic form is P implies Q, that is T implies T is T. Therefore, the truth value of given statement is true, that is T. Next topic is biconditional. Double implication. If two statements are combined using the logical connective if and only if, then it is called as biconditional. In other words, if P, Q are two statements, then P if and only if Q is called as biconditional. It is denoted by P double arrow Q or P double arrow Q. It is read as P biconditional Q or P if and only if Q. Truth table for biconditional. First row, P, Q, P biconditional Q. Second row, T, T, T. Third row, T, F, F. Fourth row, F, T, F. Fifth row, F, F, T. Biconditional statement PQ is true if P and Q have same truth values, otherwise it is false. For example, statement P, milk is white. Statement Q, sun rises in the west. The biconditional of above two statements is P biconditional Q. That is, milk is white if and only if the sun rises in the west. If we see truth table of given statement, truth values of statement P and Q are true, that is T, and false, that is F respectively. Therefore, the given statement in symbolic form is P biconditional Q, that is T biconditional F is F. Therefore, truth value of given statement is false F. Next topic is negation. Not. For any given statement P, there is another statement which is defined to be true when P is false, and false when P is true, is called the negation of P. It is denoted by negation of P. For example, statement P, mango is a fruit. The negation of P will be mango is not a fruit. Truth table for negation. First row, P. Negation of P. Second row, T, F. Third row, F, T. Note 1. If a statement is true, its negation is false and vice versa. 2. Negation of a statement is the statement itself. That is, Exercise 1.1. Let's solve exercise 1.1. As per above explanation. Question 2. Write the following compound statements symbolically. 1. Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Answer. Let statement P be Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Statement Q be Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Therefore, the symbolic form of the given statement is P conjunction Q. Second, triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Answer. Let statement be P, triangle is equilateral. Statement Q, triangle is isosceles. Therefore, the symbolic form of the given statement is P disjunction Q. Third, the angle is right angle if and only if it is of measure 90 degree. Answer. Let statement P be, the angle is right angle. Statement Q be, the angle is of measure 90 degree. Therefore, the symbolic form of the given statement is P biconditional Q. Fourth, angle is neither acute nor obtuse. Answer. Let statement P be, angle is acute. Statement Q be, angle is obtuse. Therefore, the symbolic form of the given statement is negation of P, conjunction negation of Q. Fifth, if triangle ABC is right angled at B, then measure angle A plus measure angle C equal to 90 degree. Answer. Let statement P be, triangle ABC is right angled at B. Statement Q, measure angle A plus measure angle C equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the symbolic form of the given statement is P conditional Q. Sixth, Hima Das wins gold medal if and only if she runs fast. Answer. Let statement P be, Hima Das wins gold medal. Statement Q, she runs fast. Therefore, the symbolic form of the given statement is P biconditional Q. Seventh, x is not a rational number but is a square of an integer. Answer. Let statement P be, x is a rational number. Statement Q, x is a square of an integer. Therefore, the symbolic form of the given statement is negation of P conjunction Q. Question number 3. Write the truth values of the following. First, 4 is odd or 1 is prime. Answer. Let statement P be, 4 is odd. Statement Q, 1 is prime. Truth values of P and Q are false, that is F and F respectively. The given statement in the symbolic form is P disconjunction Q. Therefore, P disjunction Q is equivalent to false, that is F disjunction F is F. As per truth table. Therefore, truth value of given statement is false F. Second, 64 is a perfect square, and 46 is a prime number. Answer. Let statement P be 64 is a perfect square. Statement Q, 46 is a prime number. Truth values of P and Q are true, T and false, F respectively. The given statement in symbolic form is P conjunction Q. Therefore, P conjunction Q is equivalent to true, T and false, F is F. As per truth table. Therefore, truth value of given statement is false, F. Third, 5 is a prime number, and 7 divides 94. Answer. Let statement P be, 5 is a prime number. Statement Q, 7 divides 94. Truth values of P and Q are true, T and false, F respectively. The given statement in symbolic form is P conjunction Q. Therefore, P conjunction Q is equivalent to true, T and false, F is F. As per truth table. Therefore, truth value of given statement is false, F. Fourth, it is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. Answer. Let statement P be 5 minus 3i is a real number. Truth values of P is false, F. The given statement in symbolic form is negation of P. Therefore, truth value of given statement is true T. As per truth table. Fifth, if 3 multiple by 5 equal to 8, then 3 plus 5 equal to 15. Answer. Let statement P be 3 multiply by 5 equal to 8. Statement Q 3 plus 5 equal to 15. Truth values of P and Q are false, F and false, F respectively. The given statement in symbolic form is P conditional Q. Therefore, P conditional Q is equivalent to false, F implies false, F is T. Therefore, truth value of given statement is true T. Sixth, milk is white if and only if sky is blue. Answer. Let statement P be, milk is white. Statement Q, sky is blue. Truth values of P and Q are true T and true T respectively. The given statement in symbolic form is P biconditional Q. Therefore, P biconditional Q is equivalent to true T biconditional true T is T. As per truth table. Therefore, truth value of given statement is true T. 7th. 24 is a composite number or 17 is a prime number. Answer. Let statement P be 24 is a composite number. Statement Q 17 is a prime number. Truth values of P and Q are true T and true T respectively. The given statement in the symbolic form is P disjunction Q. Therefore, P disjunction Q is equivalent to true T or true T is T. As per truth table. Therefore, truth value of given statement is true T. End of part 2. For further, watch part 3. Thanks for watching.